Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're taking a look at this wireless lavalier microphone from a company called Comica here. I got this sent to me, and actually I've been wanting to have a wireless lavalier microphone because when I go do a review outside or even indoors, it tends to sound better. So let's go ahead and get right into it, unbox this, see what we have in here, and then we'll test this out indoors, outdoors, and see the distance as well. Alrighty, so I've heard good things about this microphone, so let's go ahead and see the inside here. One thing is, there is a very nice case that comes with it, which looks amazing. I wish every product that I have came with this, and even for my camera, I'm looking to buy something similar to this because it's great. And see what we have inside here. So we got the manual here. Let's put that away for now. And so this must be the transmitter. It feels very solid, a little bit heavy, so it does have some weight to it, but it feels very nice to hold. And this is the receiver here, 2 antennas, while the transmitter only have 1 antenna here. And let's put those away for now. And in here, so I'm assuming this is the clip to put on your, yep, so this is just a clip for this, and then this is to hang the lavalier transmitter, receiver, we'll see about that after. And let's see in this package here. So here I think we have the actual lavalier microphone, and the connections to it are very nice, like gold plated here. And so you're able to take this out. The lavalier feels actually very solid here. It doesn't look cheap at all, which is amazing. Let's put that away for now. And here we have the wind, the death cat or whatever you call it, protection here, which is very nice. Also, let's check what we have on this other package here. Okay, so we have the XLR and a 3.5 adapter here. So this is another great news. So you're able to use this on XLR connection, which is great. And lastly, we have the charger. I wish this had a USB Type-C, but unfortunately it's a micro USB to charge the unit. But that's only to charge the unit. I'm assuming we can upgrade the firmware as well from here, but I will have to check that out after. And lastly, actually, so we have one more here. We have a 3.5 millimeter. So I'm definitely going to be able to use this on my GH5 camera, which is good. Also, you're able to use this on your smartphone as well, I believe, which will be great too. So let's go ahead and put all this thing together here and see how it sounds like. So right now I've gone ahead and plugged the Comica receiver in my GH5, which I have set on my camera minus 12 dB, while on the actual receiver it's set to 7, the volume is set to 7. So I'm just going to go ahead and read some of the main features here just so you can hear how this sounds like. So we got the dual transmitter trigger by one receiver, A and B double group options, multiple channels used for several devices. Working distance is up to 120 meters, but 80 meters is the barrier area. So you're looking at open area, 120 meters. We got the low cut filter mode as well. I have set the low cut filter to low. So right now, I've been using the Deity microphone, which did sound great before, but this definitely is good because it's you're able to put this on your pocket and pretty much move freely. And even if I'm turning this way, you can still hear me the same. While when you have like a shotgun microphone or anything like that, definitely you're going to have to point that way and talk that way. While with this, I can pretty much do any movement and you're still going to be able to hear me the same. So I'm gonna let you be the judge when it comes to the quality of this. You can hear it right now. You already know that I have -12 set on the camera, 7 volume on the actual receiver, and I have the low cut filter set to low in this. So right now, let's grab this and go outside and test how this works out. Alright, so now we're outside and you can see the audio quality from outside here. There's a little wind outside, so I'm just gonna keep on walking and see how far we can get until we possibly lose signal. So right now the receiver antennas are pointing straight at me, and I have the transmitter in my side here, clipped in my belt. So let's see. Hopefully it's still working at this point, which is good. There's really no point where you're gonna get this far out. You're usually gonna be closer to your camera, but just so we can test out how long it picks it up for. Alrighty. So right now let's just go back here. So actually I had the chance to listen out to the audio, the indoor audio. It sounds actually good. Actually, it might be something that I will be using towards my next videos as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. If not, thumbs down. And also, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. It's freezing out here, so I'm gonna go home now. See you guys next time. Bye.